What's up, y'all? It's VZ, and we back with another video. I had a lot of people tell me to react to Pistol Pete. He played in the 70s and the 80s. They said I'm gonna be very impressed. And his play style is like modern. Like he wasn't nobody was playing like him back in these times. So we about to check him out. Let's get it. Pistol Pete. Let's get it. Pete Maravich, that's his name, right? Okay. So old. I believe this is top 20, if I'm not mistaken. Play for the Jazz. Beautiful jumper. Ew. Dimes. I gotta try to pay attention here. Pull up. Let's see what you got, Pistol. I love the nickname on the jerseys. I'm guessing he's the one that just passed it. That's a crazy pass for that time, bro. Ugh. With the left? Ew. That was nice. 18. Ew. Great pass. Great pass. Great pass. Ew. Wait, what happened? Oh yeah. Jeez, bro. Him missing that layup is insane. Oh, I guess it got blocked. Ew. Oh, that's Ewing. Great pass. It's such an old video, I have to lean in to make sure I'm paying attention. 15. Ew, he loved that pass. Ew. Ooh, this is so blurry. Ew. Ew. It looked like he's very creative in the passes he's doing. Even though the video is blurry, it's 70s and 80s. It's the clearest video I can find, unless y'all know any other video. But it just seemed like he's very creative in what he was doing. Like everybody modeled their game after him. Cause like that's crazy, bro. Ew, don't reach. Ew, the scoop. Ew, the sky scoop. That's what I call it, a sky scoop. Great defense. Ew. Ew. What the hell was he doing? Who was that? He messed up his whole assist. Oh my god. Yo, he loved underneath pass. Oh, that was nice. How'd you know he was even there, bro? Ew. He got eyes behind his head. Ew. Nice. What the Bro, my eyes was like this. I don't know where he was going with that pass. Look at this. Ew. That was tough. He's Houdini, bro. Look, oh my, bro. Look at the Celtic. Look at the Celtic that's trying to. Look at the Celtic that's trying to block the pass type shot. Look at his actions, bro. Like right here. Look at him. He like, what the fuck? He didn't know what to put his legs and his arms at. Ew. 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 What is that? He was Houdini with the ball. Ew. And he looked away. Nice. That was nice. That was nice. That was nice. That was nice. Behind the back. Ew. Behind the back. Ugh. Behind the back. That was so nice. I think that play at 4 should be like number 1 or number 2. Because, boy, that's so nice, though. That's so nice. Damn. Ew! 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 He is creative. Look at this. Oh my god, that's so nice. That was amazing, y'all. Whoever recommended Pistol, that was amazing, bro. If y'all have any more Pistol Pete videos, like specific videos, please let me know down in the comment section, y'all. If you got any more videos in general, please let me know down in the caption, not in the caption, in the comments, y'all. It could be sports, it could be music, it could be anything, and I'll react to it, y'all. That was amazing. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload, y'all. Peace and love, baby. We out.